Alright, this here was just sent to me via UPS, just delivered by UPS. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. It's supposed to be a camera here. It's supposed to be a camera. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, see what it is. Man, what the fuck? Interior cam for 550. This is, man, no. Man. It attached to, it's the interior cam. Man, hold this right here. Let me see if it'll attach in that thing. You know what that is, man? That's bogus. You see what it is? Man. Yeah. It just pops in right there to that. See that? That's just the interior camera for it. Huh? That's funny. You see what they did to me, woman? Huh? Oh well, I guess that's it, huh?
Yep.
Got what we paid for, huh?